Yesterday, we got both a sell and a strong sell signal for Bitcoin. And as of right now, it looks like we could be on our way back down as the CPI report was released today. And in this video, we're going to be talking about that CPI, going over the inflation data, and I'm going to give you my prediction of where Bitcoin could be heading next. Let's get started. Checking out the inflation data here first. In March, the consumer price index for all urban consumers increased 0.1%, seasonally adjusted, and rose 5% over the last 12 months, not seasonally adjusted. The index for all items less food and energy increased 0.4% in March, up 5.6% over the last year. The next CPI data release is May 10th, 2023, and this is for the April 2023 CPI data. With that data out of the way, let's check out the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics, checking out the emotional index first here. It looks like after this major move up in Bitcoin, we are now in excited territory. This is really good to see. However, most often when we see excited, or even if this moves up and peaks into greedy territory, this is most often what we're seeing moves back down in the market. We can see this is very consistently where this happens. Boom, move down right here, big move down too. Moving on to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. As of right now, Bitcoin is no longer in low volatility after this impulse move up. We could see some further volatility, either if Bitcoin pushes up to $32,000 or if it crashes back down to its current structure support. Either way, it will be fairly impulsive, and I think we could see an increase in these green bars over the next couple of days. Next up is the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. Now we are still below that -800, somewhere near the -1,000 metric reading on the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money chart. And this short trade sentiment here is really strong, and most often when we see that, that's where we're going to be seeing moves back down in the market. Where whale money goes, the price is going to go to. So if whales are piling on these short trades, I think a move down is likely. Bitcoin major support and resistance levels does not show any resistance levels on Bitcoin at this point. However, we do know we have a strong one at $32,000. And as of right now, the closest structure support marked on this chart is $25,288. However, I think we need to be paying attention right here and right here for structure supports on Bitcoin. And I'll show you what those exact values are on the live charts. Next up is the Bitcoin long versus short trades. We can see long trades are increasing at this point. This comes with that increase in price. If we see a continued increasing in long trades, the price is very likely to continue upwards too. If we see an increase in short trades, however, this is where we're going to see the price drop. So this will be a very important one to pay attention to moving forward. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner. Now we do not have a sell signal yet, but after this candle, especially with it being basically completely even as it is right now, this could be a turning point for a move back down. And if we see a sell signal or a strong sell signal at that point, it almost guarantees the drop. So be on the lookout for that. You're going to want to keep updated with all of these metrics. These are going to be extremely important for Bitcoin, and where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the crypto market tends to go to. So if you want to get access to these metrics, check out the links in the description of the video you're watching right now. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can get the full access membership for $59 a month. This will include all 20 coins worth of metrics, members-only content in the form of future forecasts, and Zoom coaching every single month. You'll get access to our scalping trades that are currently 10 wins, 0 losses, with 2 open trades for you to take, and many more features. So if you want to join us, just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. You can see a couple of days ago, we saw price versus while money flow was super high, and trend exhaustion completely topped out on its chart. In a similar fashion, as the price peaked above $30,000, we saw a sell and strong sell signal. And most often when these signals combine, this does tend to be some of the most bearish sentiment you can get from these indicators. And to top it off, before that, we got price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and a buy signal that correlated perfectly to the move up. And just to show you, just to give you an example, if you were to enter at the close of this buy signal, because that is where the signal pops, and move up to the close of the first sell signal here, that would be an easy 7% profit. And that is just in a matter of 2 days here, Sunday, April 9th to Tuesday, April 11th here. Easy, nearly 8% profit there. So congrats to anyone that did take that trade. Based on what I'm seeing right now, though, the price versus while money flow is still dropping out of the market. We have plenty of room to move down at this point. Same with the trend exhaustion. So this tells me, even though we're moving kind of sideways right now, using this $30,000 as structure support, I would not be surprised if we did finally break through this and drop down to that $28,817 level, as this is a really big structure support right now. On the daily time frame here, the price versus while money flow is still relatively high compared to recent times, and the trend exhaustion is in its absolute top red section as it continues to test $30,000. And if we get a sell signal, as I was talking about on the daily trade scanner, with price versus while money flow decently high and trend exhaustion all the way high, all of these combine to show strong bearish sentiment. So if the 1 day time frame here is bearish, if the 4-hour time frame here is bearish, I think it's more likely we're going to see moves down. Now, the price of Bitcoin has not been very volatile recently, and because of that, I'm only expecting small moves in the market. And right now, 28,817 structure support after these multiple touches back here is what I'm looking for. If we do manage to drop below that, I think somewhere right about here, around the $27,662 range could be the next target. From the current price, the first structure support is just a little bit, just a small, really quickly here, about a 4% drop there. And if we go all the way to that $27,600 level, this will be closer to a 7.85% drop. Now, if you want to get access to these indicators that helped call this 8% move up, I can get them to you for up to $400 off right now. Let me show you how. If you want to get access to the indicators, again, what you're going to want to do is check the links down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page, and the best possible deal will be to purchase the bundle pack first. This will come with the trend exhaustion and price versus while money flow, as well as 7 other indicators for you to use. And it'll come with a $400 off coupon for the TEC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using that $400 off coupon is actually cheaper than buying just the TEC top and bottom finder itself. No matter what you get though, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.